respected Chairman, esteemed shareholders. Financial year 26 was a year of strong execution and measurable acceleration. Gross revenue reached 3,70,026 crores, growing 11.8% year-on-year. EBITDA grew 7.9% to 27,033 crores, 3.4 times that of our nearest competitor. Profit after tax rose 12% to 13,838 crores. Our registered customer base reached 387 million, up 11% year-on-year. We processed 1.93 billion transactions, up 39% year-on-year. That single number captures something significant. Quick commerce coming of age, adding a promising new layer to the growth of large basket shopping. We now operate 20,160 stores across 78 million square feet. In grocery, our Smart Bazaar network crossed 1,000 stores, one of the fastest large-scale retail rollouts in the world. A large part of this network now serves Tier 2 and below markets. In many of these towns, Smart Bazaar is the first organized modern retailer, transforming access for millions and creating livelihoods that did not previously exist. This year, we launched the All Goods Exchange program across Smart Bazaar stores, collecting over 4,400 tons of recyclable material in the first 45 days. The scale of our grocery operation reflects the strength of our farmer and supply chain partnerships. We procured approximately 5.7 lakh metric tons of fresh fruits and vegetables this year, partnering with over 40,000 farmers across 110 collection centers, delivering low prices to the consumers and better returns to the farmers. We sold 12 lakh metric tons of staples. In home and personal care, our portfolio is growing 3 times faster than the industry. Clean shampoos are growing at 8 times the market rate, laundry shots at 9 times, and roll-ons and sunscreens at 4 times. Quick commerce is fast becoming a daily habit for millions of Indian households, and we are expanding in this space. JioMart has become one of India's largest quick commerce networks, with 3,100 plus stores serving 1,200 plus cities across 5,100 plus PIN codes. Average daily orders grew 3.6 times year-on-year. From smartphones to last-minute outfit changes, thousands of products across these diverse categories arrive within hours, even in small towns. Repeat orders on quick commerce grew more than 6-fold. In fashion and lifestyle, we sold over 8 lakh garments every day. Ajio's average bill value rose 23%, average selling price grew 17%, and option count expanded to 3 million, up 22% year-on-year. Ajio has grown 7 times in 5 years. Ajio Rush, our 4-hour delivery promise, now covers 600 plus towns. Shein has crossed 11 million app installs, adding 1,000 new styles daily. Dear friends, global fashion at Indian prices is an idea whose moment has arrived. Our premium brand segment added exclusive long-term partnerships with Stella McCartney, Kurt Geiger, Max & Co. and Fabletics. Playing a perfect foil, Tira is anchored in deep pride in India's rich heritage, placing traditional Indian products on mainstream consumer shelves. Tira recently introduced Pura Veda, its own Ayurveda-inspired beauty range, giving Indian rituals the global stage they deserve. Reliance Retail also welcomed Pahadi Local into its family. Known for its pristine mountain-sourced ingredients and its iconic Gutti Ka Tel, this homegrown brand represents the best of authentic Indian wellness. We will scale our own brands to consumers across India and beyond, ensuring Indian beauty products stand proudly alongside the world's leading global giants. In consumer electronics, we grew significantly faster than the market. We sold over 2,500 phones every hour, along with more than 4,000 televisions, 8,000 large appliances, and 1,600 laptops every single day. Our rescue after-sales network spans 1,621 locations, handling 6.5 million service volumes this year, reaching nearly 19,000 PIN codes. JioMart Digital is now India's largest mobile distributor. with 1.2 lakh active retail partners reaching over 85% of the addressable retail universe. In jewels, average bill value grew 53% year-on-year, with a deliberate and continuing focus on design-led diamond jewelry. Today, Swadesh directly collaborates with over 900 artisans across 270 plus craft forms, from Longpoi pottery and Naga weaving in the northeast to Dhokra metalwork in Chhattisgarh, Banjara embroidery in Telangana, and Tora embroidery in Tamil Nadu. Over 3,000 individuals from tribal communities find employment through this program. These are not transactions. These are acts of cultural preservation at commercial scale. Dear shareholders, the intelligence era in Reliance Retail is not a vision. It is already live. But the intelligence we are building is not merely computational. Indian consumers are shaped by culture, by community, by aspiration, by festivals, by season, and by sentiment. What will separate Reliance Retail from every other retailer in the world is not just the scale of our data, but our ability to combine technology with a deep understanding of Indian consumers. In the decade ahead, Reliance Retail will not merely sell products. We will catalyze a sustainable, inclusive, and technologically advanced way of life for every Indian, contributing our fullest to the vision of a Viksit Bharat. Dear shareholders, 3 years ago, we took a leap of faith that India could produce FMCG brands of global quality at Indian prices and scale them faster than anyone thought possible. Reliance Consumer Products Limited has done just that, building a national FMCG powerhouse from the ground up and doubling its revenue in a single year. In financial year 26, RCPL achieved gross revenue of 22,000 crores, growing twice year on year. What took our peers decades, we achieved in just 4 years. It made us one of the fastest growing FMCG platforms in India's history and one of the fastest growing consumer product companies anywhere in the world. Today, RCPL products are present in more than 40 countries through exports and franchise sales, making RCPL a truly global Indian consumer brand. This year, however, was not without its challenges. Geopolitical headwinds drove up raw material and packaging costs and disrupted global supply chains. We absorbed these shocks entirely within the business. Staying true to our consumer-first approach, we ensured our products remained accessible and affordable for every Indian household. RCPL is now a direct subsidiary of Reliance Industries, having completed its demerger from RRVL in December 2025. With singular focus on its own markets, its own consumers, and its own ambitions, the results have been exactly what we envisioned. Campa achieved 4,700 plus crores in gross sales in financial year 26. Having challenged decades-long market leadership, it is now India's fourth largest carbonated soft drinks brand with a double-digit market share in key markets. Campa is not merely a brand, it is India Ka Thanda. Independence, our daily essentials brand, delivered 2,600 crores in revenue and was recognized as one of India's most trusted brands of financial year 26. In packaged drinking water, RCPL is now India's third largest branded water player, powered by Campa Shaw, launched nationwide in October 2025. In beverages, we grew 3.2 times year on year. Daily essentials grew 1.6 times. Our home and personal care portfolio grew 1.3 times. The foods category delivered positive momentum across biscuits, confectionery, snacks, and processed foods, with SIL repositioned for a new generation of consumers. Friends, this year we made a series of focused acquisitions extending the RCPL platform in precisely the right directions. In daily essentials and foods, we acquired majority stakes in Udhayam Agro Foods and in Southern Health Foods, known by its key brand Manna, a cherished regional name to which we will bring national fame. In beverages, we acquired Goodness Group Global, the Australian business behind Nexpa, Bison and Pace, co-created with cricketer Pat Cummins. In personal care, we acquired global rights, excluding select territories, to heritage brands like Brylcreem, Toni & Guy, Badidas and Mate. significantly deepening our grooming and bathing portfolio. We're also building brands with cultural resonance. We rode the excitement of the T20 Men's Cricket World Cup, activating Campa Shaw and Sun Crush to powerful consumer response. We dominated the IPL with Campa Energy, building national momentum through high GRPs across India. We deepened our regional connect through Power Up in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana and Purple Energy in Tamil Nadu. Dear shareholders, the Indian consumer is evolving. We're not just keeping pace, we're anticipating what comes next. Our competitive advantage rests on 4 pillars. First, deep tech innovation. Our state-of-art R&D center, staffed by over 125 scientists, has developed more than 100 products and filed 9 new patents and 11 design applications in the last year alone. Second, advanced manufacturing scale. 10,000 crores of rupees invested to date, with beverage production now spanning 12 states through high-speed bottling lines in multiple greenfield plants. We're building food parks across India, modern, integrated facilities with multi-category production lines spanning biscuits, chocolates, staples, and packaged foods designed to drive scale efficiencies through cross-category integration. Over the next 3 years, a further 30,000 crores of rupees of investments will build one of Asia's largest networks of such integrated food parks, AI-driven, robotics-enabled, and engineered for lasting cost leadership. Third, distribution depth. 3 million plus outlets reached through 5,000 plus distributors in 3 years, faster than any player in Indian FMCG history. We're expanding into the Northeast, West Bengal, Bihar, and other geographies. Fourth, value proposition. India's large rural consumer base and millions of middle-class households share one aspiration: global quality at Indian prices. That is the founding logic of everything we make, price, and distribute. Friends, we're building a business where every decision is powered by data and every process is driven by intelligence. Embedding AI across all our functions, from understanding what consumers want, to planning what we produce, to how we move our products across the country. This foundation will help us move faster, operate smarter, and remain closer to what our consumers truly need. Our vision is simple: to be at the heart of every Indian home. Not in one category, but across the full arc of everyday Indian life. From daily essentials and staples to packaged foods and snacks to the moments of indulgence that make life worth savoring. We're building not merely a portfolio of brands, but a consumer ecosystem that grows with every stage of Indian life. RCPL's near-term ambition is to reach 1 lakh crores in revenue by financial year 2030. Our long-term ambition is to become one of India's largest FMCG companies with a global platform to match. We have just begun scripting the best of RCPL. Soon, it will be a value-creating engine for Reliance Industries, comparable in scale and profitability to our retail business. This is my assurance to our esteemed shareholders. Thank you, and let me now welcome back the chairman.